Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn one new feature which is added in a FreeCAD 1.0, which is the selection filter. So we will see these features, how it works. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on a FreeCAD. You can visit this tab for FreeCAD tutorial and this one for the FreeCAD articles. Apart from FreeCAD, I write the journal Mechanical Engineering topic, which you can read in your own language. Here is a language option. Just click on the language, it will be get translated. You can also visit my 3D model library, which I have created for FreeCAD part. It is free to use. All you have to go to my home page and click on this FreeCAD 3D models. And once you click on the tab, you will be directed to my 3D model library. This 3D model library is free to use. All you have to click on the image. You will be directed to the Google Drive, where you will get a FreeCAD part as well as 2D drawing. You can also visit my 2D drawing library. On my home page, you will see here the tab 2D drawings. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the 2D drawings, and here you can use this drawing for your projects, or you can use this drawing to practice the 3D modeling in a FreeCAD. If you like my method of teaching, you can also support me on ko-fi.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow. You can also visit my Ko-fi shop, where I have uploaded small FreeCAD projects which you can buy at very nominal price. So your small donation will help me a lot, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I am using the FreeCAD version 1.0. So you must have at least 1.0 or higher version of a FreeCAD if you are using the development release of a FreeCAD. So now let's understand how the selection filter is work. So first I will open my one of the existing model, and here I will switch to the part design workbench. So once you switch to the part design workbench, you will see here one options. So once you open the part design workbench, you will see here one option which is selection filters. So here we are seeing the three option as of now, which is the vertex selections, edge selection and face selection. So there is a shortcut is also given for the vertex selection is X, S, edge selection E, S, and face selection face, S. So let's select this vertex selection. So once the vertex selection is on, if I try to click on the face, it will not work. It will only work for the vertex selections. So if I select the vertex, it will be get selected. Now if I try to select the face, it will not select. You can see that the stop symbol is coming here. But any vertex I wanted to select, I can select it, and if I wanted to select the multiple vertex, I will press the control key and select it. Now if you want to clear the selections, then here is options to clear it, and there is also a shortcut C, S. Now select the edge filter, edge selections. So once the edge is on, now I would not be able to select the vertex. I can only select the edges of my model, and if I try to select the face, it will not allow me. As you can see that it is showing the stop symbol. Now let's clear this selections, and now try the face selections. So once I select the face, now it will not allow me to select the edges, but I can select the faces by pressing the control key. I can select the multiple faces, and in this case edge and vertex will not work. So this selection filter is very similar to the SolidWorks if you have used it, but SolidWorks having the very vast types of a filter. As of now, there are the three types of a filter is added, and we can expect that in future the FreeCAD team will add more selection filters which will be useful for the modeling as well as for the drawing. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.